Hi everyone. Today I want to give you an update about the shadcn UI library. We're very happy that we have reached a milestone, which is 10,000 users for our kit. And last night, or actually 2 days ago, we added new thumbnails. So there's a bit more explanation what you will get. There's all the components, the dark light theming mode, theme support that we have. We have all the Lucite icons included, all the Tailwind 4 colors, and we have this summarizing slide, which also repeats that the kit is free and MIT licensed. So if you go into the kit, you will find this thumbnail page. And if you go to the next page, it's called components. You will see the different components. And right now, the new feature, the dark and light mode, allows you to basically switch a component to dark mode. So I'm just going to switch this alert to dark mode, and you will see that everything changes with you. And when you go into the Figma variables, you will see that there is an extensive set of variables. So there's this theme now, the theme collection, where you have general variables, and these variables are official shadcn variables. But to map the theme and the logic in Figma, we also had to add some unofficial variables. You will see that they are also documented. There are some variables that might disappear in the future, so that's why we're not a 1.0 yet. But in general, I feel like we landed at stable ground, where I don't think there's going to be that much change in the future. So basically, you have a bunch of variables, and I can explain in a separate video how these work. What this allows you to do is to create your own theme. So let's say that you want to make something on top of light or dark. You can hit the plus here, and you can, for example, make your own company theme, make your own theme via one of the modes. Or you could start modifying the light theme, for example. So that gives us theming support. And it also provides a nice way for example, for agentic coding agents to understand more about the underlying colors and variables. So moving on, something else that is new is the screen examples. So we've added a few examples of screens, such as this products table. We have a web app example here, which is one of the most extensive screens. We also have this kind of sizing test, so we can see that the sizing across different components is consistent. We also have another app example, so more like another type of app without a sidebar with a top-level navigation. And then we have a mobile example that you can use to maybe start off with a mobile design, as well as a drawer example. Actually, this is a dialog example, and the next one is a drawer example. I feel like it would be more clear if the background on this page is a little bit darker, so I'm going to adjust that. So you will see there's a example dialog here, and then there's the example drawer. We will be releasing some extra tutorials about using the shadcn kit. If you're curious about the exact changes, you can go into the changelog. So the changelog lives on both the website and in the Figma file. And we're pretty close to releasing the 1.0 version of the kit. So we're excited about that. So I think this is it for the announcement video of 0.5.0, which we released 2 days ago. I hope the community is happy that they now have theming, light and dark mode. And I feel like our kit is getting very close to being 100% feature complete. So anything we would do on top of that would be like a 1.1 release, 1.2 release, would be more like supporting documentation, more examples, or maybe shadcn goes into a different direction and we follow that direction with the kit. So that's it. That's the news for today. And thank you for following our project and supporting it.